Hello, this video belongs to a series of videos that I will be releasing once a week, which aims to clarify what the Nei Qigong is about and what the Nei Qigong Fu is about, because I think there is a little bit of misunderstanding about this practice, its goal, and also about the school in general. So I invite you to follow up this video if you're interested to understand more. I will create on my YouTube channel a playlist called Nei Qigong Fu School, where you will find all this video. So let's start with the video. The first question that I will answer is what it is Nei Qigong. Nei Qigong is a Chinese energy practice that belongs, let's say, to the Qigong discipline. The term Nei Qigong means Nei means internal, Qi means energy, Gong means practice. So it's an internal energy practice. This method has been created by my teacher, Shifu Costantino Valente, which has been doing martial arts for 50 years next year, and has been practicing Qigong for 30 years and the Nei Qigong for 20 years. This system contains all the teachings that he received in these 30 years from his Qigong masters, teachers, plus the teachings that he received from his two Chinese teachers, Shifu Luo and Shifu Zhou. But his work was actually to condense all his knowledge and practices that he acquired throughout these years into a system that progressively leads us to do a very advanced work. In fact, we have to understand that, as I said in the beginning of this video, Nei Qigong belongs to the Qigong family. Although this term Nei Qigong is something that Shifu Costantino Valente created, there's no such other discipline with the same name. Usually Qigong is just to develop a good health. At least Qigong practices aim to balance the flow of energy in the body so that we can have an healthy and strong life. The Nei Qigong has a different goal. Of course, in the beginning we have to be healthy, otherwise we cannot do the work that we do later on in the advanced programs, which will be more demanding. In fact, the main difference between Nei Qigong and Qigong in general is that Nei Qigong has a different goal. Of course, first we build the foundation for a good health, but then later on we want to do something more than just that, which is accumulating more energy than what we need for our health, as I said, to use that excess, that quantity of energy that we accumulate more than what it is necessary to be healthy, to later on apply it for different goals. One of them could be to help other people, to heal other people by giving our vital energy. Another one could be to grow spiritually, which actually is the main goal of the Nei Qigong. And the reason why I'm filming this video also is because sometimes, due to the fact that we show the Fagong, the Qi emissions, people assume that the goal is actually just to become Superman. But it's not about that. It's actually to accumulate more energy than what we need for our health, to get to a very high degree of energy that allows a spiritual or personal growth. The practices have been organized in this way. As I said, Shifu Costantino Valente learned throughout these 30 years various practices, Qigong practices, and in the last 20 years he learned from his Chinese teachers some other practices that belong to neigong, which is another form of Qigong, focused on accumulation of energy. So the Nei Qigong system, the method has been structured in the following way. In the basic programs, we basically build all the foundation on a physical, emotional, mental aspect level that later on will allow us to do a very advanced work with the advanced programs, where Shifu Costantino Valente put all that he learned from his teachers in a very condensed, organized way, which usually doesn't happen in the Chinese way of teaching. So for me, it's very important that you understand actually that the Nei Qigong is a unique method that Shifu Costantino Valente created, based on his knowledge, on his experience, which, as I said, spans for many years now, and is the main, let's say, is the founder of the Nei Qigong method and also of the Nei Qigong Fu school. And I am an instructor, an authorized instructor of Shifu Costantino Valente of the school Nei Qigong Fu to teach Nei Qigong. So if you want to have more information or if you have any question, please visit the website www.neigongjiaoshiandrea.com. There you will find more information and explanation of the whole method. Also, you can contact me via email or WhatsApp, whatever it is your favorite way of getting in touch. And I invite you to follow up by watching these videos that, as I said, will be included in a playlist on my YouTube channel. So I wish you a good day and see you next time.